How's it going, guys? We're gonna do some viewer calls, so if you wanna just leave me a voice message, just hit up the Instagram. Happy to answer any questions that you guys have. I saw a comment yesterday on one of my videos that was like, your streams are becoming vapid, and I'm like, the whole point of the streams is to engage with you guys. I'm not here, I don't do streams for views, I do streams because I'm community building, you know? Just trying to engage, trying to get to know you. I don't want to be that YouTuber, you know? Appreciate you guys. So if you're, you know, let me know if the music's too loud also. Lucas, what up? What up, what up? I changed the delay so it's a little bit, should be higher quality, but there's gonna be some stream delay. HD Vortex, what up, man? How's it going? Afer, how's it going? You doing swell, man? Hope you're doing well. How do we call? Yeah, shoot me a voice message on. Shoot me a voice message on. Come on. On Instagram. I can't find the stream. It's not showing up in my channel. I was gonna post it on. Oh, there it is. Why is it way over there? All right. Dark Matter, what's up, man? Welcome aboard. Happy to have you. Coders, what's up? Larry, how's it going, man? Appreciate you. Thanks for being here. Alex, what up, man? Keep it fresh. What's up, man? Welcome aboard. $10 to review the portfolio. I don't know, man. We're doing some viewer calls. Do you play Fortnite? I played like once. Finished the second tool today. Patrick, you better get enough money from that second tool to pay off that car. Hey Josh, Legend, what up, man? I'm in high school currently. Should I become a software engineer or no? I mean, what do you like to do, bro? Like, what are you passionate about, man? Maybe you should be I don't know, whatever you want to be, man. Okay, I take that back. Don't do nothing stupid now. I'm looking at my message requests, so if you want to hit me with that Instagram voice, let me know. I'll be refreshing. Today at 9. All right, I got you. Here we go. I'll mute the music.
Stream delay, HD Vortex, what up, man?
Why? Play Shrek Racers? Dude, that's the only game I play. Show the viewers the car so they know it's real. Oh, alright. This is Patrick's car. Patrick's his new Lexus. He's over here balling life. You see this? Patrick's got a fancier car than most people. He's balling out. He's got that Lambda money now. Patrick's got that YouTube money. Patrick, why won't this show, dude? Alright. Here. Oh my god. Patrick, please take landscape photos from now on. Oh my god. Alright. Do you working with serverless? Nope. How's your dad? He managed to get a job? Nah, my dad works for me. And by work for me, I mean I pay his bills. And occasionally he does things. But I guess he's just kind of retired. Occasionally does some stuff. Mind focus. I can't tell. They changed up the... There we go. My roommate has the same one. Nice. Would you like to take a look at my working Discord clone I made in React? Maybe in a different stream. How do you only have 8 viewers? I don't know, man. I don't know. I have to return my sweet rental tomorrow. It's like 10 years newer. Dude, My car is like a 2008. Just barely hit that Uber cap, you know? So if I want to Uber, I can Uber for free, and my Jeep Wrangler gets like 12 miles per gallon. But you don't buy a Jeep Wrangler for miles per gallon. That's what the motorcycle's for. I miss any other ones? I'm refreshing. Oh, we got voice. All right. I'm ready.
So I do web development as a hobby, and I'm wondering how to expand my skill set further. Should I look into like trying to do server-side stuff, or do you have any suggestions?
All right. The man says he does web dev as a hobby and he wants to expand his skills. The problem is like, I don't know what skills you have right now. So when you're like, should I do server side? I mean, how much do you know already? It's hard for me to give recommendations. Hey Josh, can I have your number? Yeah, dude. 8675309. You're working on something? This YouTube channel right now. I just got this new book today called Expert Secrets. Man, that is a good book. Kind of defines where I'm at right now. Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. This book is boss. I've been listening to this most of the day. Sounds like eating the mic. Oof. What game do you like to play when you have free time? I like to play that game of life, and no, I'm just kidding. I like to play Overwatch. I was playing Overwatch last night. What else did I miss? Did I miss anything? It's a weird song. I'm gonna have to change the song. No. John Prescott, what's up, man? By Oversubscribed by Daniel Priestley. What is that? Oversubscribed. Looking it up right now. Do you still dev at all, or you just YouTube? Dude, I do dev. But I mean, Eric, what kind of dev would I be doing, man? Like for other people? Why? I don't really want to build other people's businesses. I'm focused on my business right now, you know? I dev my own website. Last night I messed up the DevOps on my website. That was fun. So I spent like all night doing DevOps for my website. That was sweet. Little JavaScript, little PHP, you know? Do you still code? Yep, sure do. Josh, need to come visit you. All right, Patrick. Only if I get to ride shotgun. Just kidding. It's a two-door car. And it's only shotgun, right? Does it have a back seat? Is that where you put all the ladies? You said oversubscribe? 256 recommendations. 5-star book. Unabridged. All right. I'll buy it. Buy now with 1 credit. Business expense that. Expand my business knowledge. Do you have hobby projects? I mean, I don't code for hobby, man. I code for money, and I code for jobs. But I don't do jobs anymore, so I code for money. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? What was your biggest personal project you've done? Oh, probably some games that I made, man. Got work. Good night. Good night, Patrick. Sweet dreams, Buttercup. 80/20 sales and marketing. All right. What do you use to host the sites you make? Just go ahead and use GitHub Pages. It's free. You said 80/20 sales and marketing? All right, hold on. Let me look at that one too. I'm gonna buy that one. Dude, I'm all about learning, dude. I'm all about that learn. 80/20. Oh, it comes up in the 920. Oh, snap. 80/20 sales and marketing. 920 ratings, 4x4. Buy now with 1 credit. Done. Thanks, Knight, for the recommendations. Ever consider doing a tech startup? I mean, I don't know why that's such a common question. I think the main thing is like, what does your startup do? What service does your startup sell? What product are you making? You know? So I think the better question is, do you ever have any ideas for a business that you might need investor money for? I think that'd probably be the better question. When are you getting married and having kids? Never. I wouldn't get it on Audible. Too late. Heroku is good. Netlify is good. You read Robert Greene, Laws of Human Nature yet? No, I haven't read that one yet. I read everything else. 50th Law, 48 Laws, Strategies of War. What else? Mastery. What was this thing you just bought? I'm just buying some books on Audible from the recommendations from you guys. So thanks for being here. Thanks for recommendations. All right. Need some help with coding. Would you help? Michelle, what do you mean? Would I help with coding? I'll help when I can. If I donate $5, can you draw the last stuff? I can draw like maybe some spaghetti noodles. That's about the extent of my ability. I will do my best. I will not disappoint. Your website has some issues on the left side padding. My website has some issues being left aligned because I messed up a CSS variable. So I gotta go fix it. I just haven't done it yet. Because I don't remember where I changed it, and I have like 9 million menus to look through and find it. Oh, Ron. What is Ron? What is 5 Rons? 5 Rons to USD. Romanian lose $1. Thank you, sir. Rich Dad Poor Dad's a good audiobook. Oh, dude, that's a good one, man. Read that one. Recommend reading Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. Read that one, dude. Already got that. Essentialism. I'll pay you $45 an hour to be my mentor. It's gonna be at least $900. Have you read Extreme Ownership by Jocko Willink? Dude, sure have. Extreme Ownership is bae. That's a good book. Thank you for those Romanian loos. $15. Why? Thank you. Your website has issues. Yep, dude. Sure does. I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna redo it. It's on my Notion here behind the thing. Thank you for the 15 night. Hey Josh, do you mentor people on how to get into the tech industry? I used to do it. Did it for like 2 years. Got a bunch of people jobs. I don't do it no more. I'd rather make courses on how to do it. $900 an hour? Yeah, because I don't want to sell my time, man. I don't want to sell my time to one thing. Drive a hard bargain. I know, it's basically a steal at that rate. I like helping people. And if I were to like mentor people, I would just do it for free, man. I would just mentor I just mentor people for free because I like to do it. I don't want the money like that, you know? I would rather do like a big meetup and just do it all for free. I mean, obviously I like money, but wouldn't it be cool to get those Rons in cash? I love collecting foreign money. Yeah, that'd be pretty dope. All right, let me look at this Instagram. Did I miss anything else? There's none here. I can help you with your website. I can help me with my website too. I just haven't done it yet, man. Just haven't done it. Sell out, bro. What? I was thinking about doing a live stream here where I get somebody that's applying to jobs like right now, get them in the Discord, and then we hop on YouTube Live and we apply to jobs live. Laws of Success by Napoleon Hill. Dude, read that book. It's a golden book. Napoleon Hill, Dale Carnegie books. All solid choices. Your alignment issues is caused by some margin, right? You set such a simple fix. So the thing is, it's set in a divvy setting. I changed a variable. I don't know why you just didn't flexbox the div, because I do this WordPress, man. I'm not over there like coding it from scratch. You kidding me? We need the doc stream on the right monitor. I don't know if the doc is up. Let's see. Dude, doc is not live. Why you playing games? Choco Taco's live though. I also thought about doing a VR stream where I play I Expect You to Die, because that's not like a hard game. I don't know if you guys ever played it though. Do you think if there's a big storm going on, I should unplug my laptop? I mean, I guess. 10 Rules for Life by Jordan Peterson? No. No, not reading that book. It's too Bible thumper for me. Can't do it. I mean, I did read it, but it's okay. Mainly the audiobook. I can't handle his Alberta accent, dude. Can't do it. Getting ready to leave work for 6 days a week. Oof. Do you think you'll ever bring back the old gargling guy in the future? Of course. Absolutely. I was thinking about doing a first day at work skit. I can't find a job after graduating. I mean, that's really normal, man. You're experiencing the fact that you can't find a job. Very normal. Very normal. Don't freak out too much. We care, man. Don't do nothing crazy. Man says, can't voice message. I'm on a tablet. Okay, no problem. I have the crappiest resume. I've watched most of your videos where you analyze people's resumes and I've not seen a horror like mine. That's okay. The left monitor? That's Twitch. I think that's King Richard playing Fortnite. What's your favorite part of Utah? I mean, probably like the Park City part where there's like no trash on the street and stuff like that. I mean, it's nice. Nice little mountainous area. What kind of drinks do you regularly drink? These. Just diet soda or water or whatever. I drink almond milk. Do you believe in sharing your goals or not sharing your goals? I think it's a bit of both. Michael could collab on a skip. Which one? Mike like Absera Mike? Wondering if Joe Rogan would write a book about all the crazy people. Dude, that'd be so good. I want, like, have you seen that petition to get Joe Rogan to moderate the presidential debate? I thought that'd be pretty neat. He asked some good questions. Let's see. Start a podcast. I mean, I'm already doing a lot. These are kind of like podcasts. Did I miss anything? How important is GPA when applying for software engineering? It's not the best. That's all right, man. No big deal there. Don't worry about it. GPA only matters really if the company cares. The company thinks that it matters, you know? Not that big a deal. I don't think being able to take tests and pass classes means that you can do a good job. If one wants to learn 2 frameworks, dev tools, do you think it's better to focus on one at a time? I think you should do both, you know? I like that. How long before people started watching your vids? Did it come organically or did you have to use other platforms? No. If you're gonna start on YouTube 2019, you can't just wait. Waiting is not a strategy, man. Waiting is not, that's not how it works, and it's so saturated that you have to put your content in front of other people's faces over and over and over and over. And so whenever people like on this channel, they're like, you're saturating your channel with all these videos, Josh. That's fine. Great. I'll saturate it more. More. It doesn't matter. You got to go to them. People aren't coming to your door. People are going to be like, hey, where's that YouTube video, Josh? They're just going to go to whoever appears. That's how it works. It's not organic. It's never organic. There's some organic growth sometimes with subscribers, but how do you get an entry-level job in cybersecurity? I don't know, Abdul. JC, what's up, man? Do let's play videos of those video games you always talk about playing. Oh, that's how you kill the channel right there. I would do maybe, I don't know. To be honest, I might do a Classic WoW live stream just to take the channel back to its roots, you know? Just for a stream. Just to be like, oh man, this takes me back. But people forget all the weird, like the part about, like you could just sheep people in Classic WoW for like a minute over and over and over, no diminishing returns. You could sat people forever, over and over and over. Like, people forget all the bugs and stuff at Classic WoW that were just like, ugh. All entry-level jobs expect you to know 4 to 5 coding languages. Yeah, that they don't expect you to know. That's a wish list, man. That's a wish list. So did you put a big chunk of time into branding online? I think so. I mean, that's a easy way to differentiate yourself. WoW 2 on floppy. Oh man, did they do that? Did they release it on floppy? Ever get WoW withdrawal? Not really. I mean, I maxed out in the new expansion because I always play the new expansion, but haven't played it in months and months and months. The pizza's here? Oh, that'd be dope. I could do some pizza right now. Did you make your site using Python? No, I made my site using WordPress, man. One band. I'm not gonna make a website from scratch for e-commerce. There's no point in doing that. No way. Absolutely not. I just be practical with it, man. I got videos to make, videos to edit, content to make, businesses to run, taxes to pay. You know, I don't have time over here to make e-commerce from scratch. Why'd you quit your job? Because I don't want to work a job, man. I just wasn't meant. I wasn't meant to work a job, you know. I was meant to do this. Time do you sleep and wake up? Oh, today I woke up at 11, dude. But I still feel tired. Well, I woke up at like 8, but I just laid in my bed, just reading, making ideas, and listening to books and stuff. You even lift? Not really. Thoughts on Swift and Kotlin mobile native development? I mean, I don't know. I've never done it really. I mean, they each are very device dependent. Why not just make a progressive web app, you know? Where's the majority of your income come from? YouTube? Affiliates? Sponsors? I don't have like a real majority. It's all pretty even. 30, 30, 30. Just having good brand help encourage clients to work with you. Of course it does, man. You gotta, like, that's how you separate yourself, right? Your brand, your reputation. That's how it works. Chris Shang, do you watch any anime? Not really. I just don't know any animes to watch. I mean, I know you guys probably have tons of recommendations, but I don't really watch a whole lot of anything, really. I watch Forensic Files on Netflix because that's like my jam, I guess. Going in my second year, I want to learn C++. Any good resources to learn from? Yeah, maybe hit up Unreal Engine. That'd be a good way to build games, you know? I know Udacity has a C++ program. Didn't do it though. Alright, let's check these viewer calls. What's your hardest climb grade? Not good. Not good, man. I don't climb out. My palms are still recovering. I don't know if you can see that pink spot on my hand, but yeah, my hands are still recovering from that fall I took on the one wheel. Nobody. Do you torrent? Nah. Support the creators. Watch One Piece 900 episodes. Oh, what's poppin', chicken nugget? Dude, what's good? Alright, let me look at this real quick. Lucas. Alright. Don't listen to that. Lucas, I'm ready.
Hey, my name's Lucas Bimbo. I'm a native mobile developer.
I'm working on my native mobile developer. You gotta finish the sentence. Some to this day, some people say Lucas is still working on his native mobile developer. Gotta wear gloves at GAT. All the gear all the time. Yep. Yep. Mindhunter on Netflix. Is it good? That looks pretty good. Is it worth developing GUI apps anymore? I don't know. Maybe. Did you watch the the guy that free climbs? Yeah. Do you do accounting for your business? I pay accountants to do the taxes. Well, that's I don't know. I mean, they do all the hard paperwork. I just pay the taxes and fill out the forms and tell them my business expenses. What if someone rickrolled you in a voice message? I mean, I don't know. I feel like you would rickroll something else. I never worked as a developer, so hard to find a remote job as your first job. Remote jobs are hard jobs regardless if it's your first or your second. They're just real competitive. You're gonna have to prove that you can work. He listened to the wrong one. Why are you talking about me like in third person? I didn't listen to the wrong one. The other one doesn't show. Like, it shows nothing. I don't see anything. How do you price yourself if you're doing freelance web dev? You price yourself based on their budget, or you price yourself based on your value, man. Like, don't get undercut. I mean, if you need the money, right? Maybe you need the money, but if you can't just be letting yourself get undercut all the time. Next gen Threadripper or building with current gen small budget? I would wait for the next gen. That's what I'm gonna do. I have 1950X Threadripper. I would really like to get like the 3990X or WX, whatever the next one is. Should I ask for 45K for my first job? No, that's really low, man. If you're in the continental United States, we're not talking San Francisco or New York City or Seattle, I would say 45K is really low. I would go for 50 to 60. 50K minimum. Advice what career you can go to with computer science major. You can do any tech career pretty much. Covalence coding bootcamp, relatively new, been there for a month. Covalence. Does it have a guarantee of some sort or tuition reimbursement if you don't get a job? Build a real portfolio, okay. 400 activities, immersive content, one-on-one mentoring, daily webinars. How much does this cost? Wait, this isn't a boot camp. It just says start your free trial. Huh. Seems like ongoing web dev type deal. Is JP Morgan a good company? I wouldn't want to work there. I'm not gonna wear a suit and tie to go sit in a corner and write code all day. How do you feel about ServiceNow JavaScript development? I don't really have a whole lot of thoughts about it, Michael. Not too many. All right. I'm ready.
Hey Josh, hopefully you get the right one. So I'm a native mobile developer with Swift and Kotlin. Just seeing if you have any tips on landing a job, like as far as posting projects, like say doing like multiple tutorials or something like that, like getting the GitHub and creating like some type of portfolio. Like I said, I have my app on the App Store. I'm just kind of trying to understand on how to really show all the skill sets that I did to actually create this app. Thanks.
Yeah, so you gotta host demos, man. You gotta host demo apps somewhere. You gotta host native demo apps that people can test. I'm not super sure what websites you could use. Maybe the chat could help you with that, but you gotta host demo apps. That's how you prove what you can do. Host demo apps and a link to the code so they can look at it. Like, I should be able to like click around. Is there like an Xcode emulator where I can like click around your app or something? I don't know. I'm not a mobile dev. Is it too late to go to college at 23? Nah, dude, I graduated college at 24. Found out my university has boot camp. It's Trilogy. Of course it is. Why else would it be anything else? My goal is to make 100K a month one day. Me too, man. I never made 100K in a month. That'd be dope. Why not 200K? Why not $1 million in a day? Seems crazy. We can do it though. Should you get a mentor? For what? I mean, you should get a mentor, but the mentor's gonna be like, well, what value are you gonna bring me? Upload a video of the app. Yeah, you could do that. Covalence is great. Graduated this year. Got a job. Oh, nice, dude. Congrats. How important is dry in programming? Dude, super important. Hey, chat. Any help on hosting? Chat's got you covered. Do you know where you can get a better boom arm for the mic? Probably Amazon. Graduated college for a third time at 38 JC. Holy crap, man. How many degrees you got, bro? People calling in or leaving you messages. We're doing this because if people call in, they can troll live, and I don't want to get demonetized, you know? So I can listen to the message, you know? and then I can cut it off if it's bad. Also, Zoom only has a 45-minute freebie thing, so this is just better, I think. As employee number 6, haven't gotten a promotion, only a small raise. Now we're at 150 and thinking about fielding offers. Yeah, bro, you should be like, I was employee number 6. I think I deserve to be paid as a founder. Like 10 and under, you're founder, man. 200 a month for part-time, 400 a month for full-time. Self-paced for part-time. That's dope. I don't link code because it is my startup I'm working on, but I guess I should show it. I mean, you afraid someone's going to steal your idea? Is that the whole thing? You should not be afraid, man. You should just maybe open source part of it or a couple pages of it or something, you know? Which degree is better, business management or accounting? Accounting. Hands down, accounting. Business management doesn't give you a business to run. Maybe you get hired to run one, maybe. But why would someone hire someone to run their business when they're probably running it themselves? Blue Yeti desk stand, oh nice. I lived in Finland 5 years. I didn't work there. No one would hire me. I didn't have a career. For code is not dry, repetitive code actually causes a noticeable slowdown. Well, it's hard for other people to read it too. If other people got to come in and recode your code, or they got to fix a bug, and the bug is somehow integrated with your code, they got to go in there, and if they're going to see a bunch of duplicate stuff, they're like, hey, what's this one doing? Wait, no, why is it down here again? And now it's here again? Why didn't he just do this, you know? It's just better overall. Slowdowns are a portion of it, but readability and refactoring makes it a mess. How do we get you to look at a resume? I want to know what I'm doing wrong. If anything, shoot it to me in an email, nerd. Just hit it. It's down there in the description. Go ahead, send that over. You guys excited for Friday? What you doing this weekend? Gearing up, buying all your Doritos and Mountain Dew for the WoW Classic release on Tuesday. 34% of 6 to 17-year-olds would like to be a YouTuber. Parents say stardom offers the family's opportunities. Critics say it's rife. Well, yeah, maybe. I mean, I don't know. Parents don't really know what they're talking about. They're just parents, man. Can you curse and finish? Yes. No one gave you a job in Finland? I mean, well, I didn't speak like fluent Finnish, you know? Have any tattoos? I sure do. There's one on my arm right here. Got ear piercings. Used to have my tongue pierced. Why didn't you go into mechanical engineering? I did. Steven, I had a mechanical engineering job. It was just a little bit too bureaucratic for me, man. It was like Office Space. Go watch the movie Office Space. That was my life. Oof. Anything you wish you knew at 20? Yes, go watch that video. Stop caring what people think about you, man. That's the main thing. Any easy side hustle ideas? If it's an easy side hustle, it's not going to be very valuable, is it? What's 2 plus 2? 3. What's your favorite fast food place? Oh, man. Don't put me on a spot like that. Right now, it'd probably have to be some Greek food. Popeye's chicken sandwich? No, it sounds delicious, though. Let me get that. Someone did Facebook name shop here in France. Same name, same concept, but I don't understand. I mean, you shouldn't. It's all about execution, man. If you had an idea for an app site, would you work with others or by yourself? I would do it myself. I mean, you should try to do it yourself. You should always try to do it yourself before you reach out for help. It's a learning experience for you, and then collaborate. I mean, unless you're like one of those classic entrepreneurs that's like, I have a great idea, I just need someone to make it for me. That doesn't really embody the entrepreneurial spirit there now, does it? I've got an idea. Okay, well, your idea doesn't mean squat, man. I need someone to make it for me. Well, why don't you learn to make it? Well, because that's what I thought. Why you put lipstick in my Valentino bag? That Vine is the best. What's your opinion on Chick-fil-A? Dude, I love Chick-fil-A. So good. Let me get those Chick-fil-A biscuits. I eat like 6 of those bad boys. All right, let me look at this. Nope, I got no more messages. Please share your haircut routine. I mean, I go to the Great Clips down the road. They cut my hair. I love the deaf phone interview videos. Well, now they just Google my name. So I was thinking about applying to some recruiters and just make a fake person. Just call myself Ron John. If you're not going to be playing Classic on launch day, why? Well, so the thing with launch day will probably be it'll be super crowded. Probably like 9-hour queue time, just waiting in line to log in. And then when you log in, the server's gonna be all laggy. I mean, I got other stuff. You heard my voice. I'm basically 13. I just turned 13. Yeah, you know, it's just gonna be laggy. I got life to live. You know, I can always log in on a Monday when people got to go to work. I can just play whenever. But you know, I'd rather. Financial independence is the most important thing to me right now, for me and my family. Rip Vine, yeah, I know. But I'll probably roll a Warlock and a Mage. Classic WoW. Maybe a Rogue, too. Your hair used to be longer. Why'd you decide to cut it? Because I looked like a comb-over, man. You respect the grind? Hey, appreciate you, man. Only 3 push-ups for a new channel member. Got to do at least 10. No, you get 3. Where you'll move from Utah? I don't know. Oregon would be cool. Somewhere on the coast. I want ocean, man. I want ocean because I want a boat and I want to go sail and fish and hike and climb and fly around and go do all the things. But I gotta make financial freedom first. Oh my God, this song is so good. This song is so happy. Guys, if you just believe in yourselves, you too can become a developer. Are you ready? Let me turn that down. Can you talk about the chair in your coding environment? No interruptions, stuff like that, how you stay focused? This right here is how I stay focused. Take my phone and put it like that. No vibrate, just straight silent. Chair, I just have a Von Racer chair. I mean, environment, I just listen to the soundtracks, man. Not day in the life music. You don't like it? Launch day, everyone's gonna yell Leroy, probably. Everyone's gonna be like, this takes forever to level. What happened? I'm supposed to kill 3 things. Thoughts on Chris Sean? He hasn't posted a video in a while. I need to get his microphone. He's got a good mic. What do you think about 2-column resumes? Looks good. What kind of hiking do you do? All the hiking, dude. I'll hike all the things. I don't mind. What would you do if a company was dragging their feet about a promotion for 5 months? That doesn't sound like they're dragging their feet. It just sounds like they're ghosting you, man. That doesn't sound like they're dragging their feet, man. You're getting bamboozled straight up. Come on, man. You know that. Michael, it's time to be like, give me my money or I'm out. This is why you always apply to jobs. So when companies start to do this thing, oh, we'll get back to you. Oh, we'll get back to you. Oh, you know what they're doing while they're getting back to you for 5 months? Is they're saving a whole bunch of money. You ever think about that, Michael? You ever think about that? They're just saving money while they're delaying deciding on giving you a raise. Because they don't give you a raise, they get to keep the money, right? And they're not going to give you back pay because they haven't told you, yes, we're giving you a raise yet. You're getting bamboozled. There's a free boot camp for 13 weeks with the schedule same as my job. I have savings. I don't know. Please help. Don't do it. Try to learn yourself first. Save your money. $5. Thanks, Lucas. Appreciate that. Are you interested in investing? Yeah, but mostly assets, not the market. Market's not great. Just go watch a bunch of Rich Dad Poor Dad videos if you want me to explain. I think about that all the time. Yep. Should I leave my job and accept the boot camp? Probably not. Ruben, what's up? Welcome. I look forward to reading your troll messages. This stream has a very low view count. I'm not sure why. Not 100% sure. Maybe it's because I released a video so soon. Like there's not enough time. What time is it in Canada? It's like 3 in the morning. Duh. All of Canada is in 3 in the morning. Time zones don't exist. It's a lie. The earth is flat. Duh, Ruben. You ever think about investing money into robots? Probably pretty profitable, but I haven't done it. Thanks for mentoring. Just trying to help, man. That's what it's all about. I should just do like a webinar, but this is kind of what this is, right? 80/20 sales marketing on the way to your PO box. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate that. I miss the old Josh. Is there an old Josh? $250 on pot stocks and Robinhood. Oof. I lost like $500 on Robinhood. It was not fun. I look forward to it. Actually, wait, Knight, can you hit cancel on that order? Knight, you should hit cancel on that order because I think my PO box expired. Definitely hit cancel because I got the audiobook. I don't know where it'll go if you direct it to me. 2 roles I applied were put on hold this week. So many interviews were canceled. Did they hire someone or are just unlucky? No, it's pretty normal, man. You're not unlucky. That's pretty normal. You think investing money? Yeah, I read that one. View count is broke. Is it? I don't know. Don't know. Are you a good boss for anyone working? My dad works for me. Okay. All right. Thanks. Knight, I'm trying to save you, man. Thank you for that, though. Appreciate you. What time is it? It's 9:43 at night. 9:43, sir. Yeah, we have 87 people here. Oh, I got my silver play button on the way, so that'll be cool. I don't know when it's gonna get here. Workout song, NF my stress. Do you modeling? Sometimes. I prefer to make the girls I'm going on dates with do modeling. It's more fun for everyone. I don't make them, but they're like, oh my god, stop. Why do you have so many cameras? I'm like, you want to be my model? And they're like, no. Do I look good? I'm like, yeah, that's what I thought. Thanks for answering one of my questions. You're on it, dude. I'm on. I try to answer everybody's question. I don't want to be that YouTuber, you know. I know CSS, JS. How much would you be okay? I sent you to give an honest review. Dude, just post a link, Francisco. You don't gotta send me any money, man. You like the B-roll in the new vids? Thanks. I don't think it adds a whole lot. I think I need to section my videos out more. But today I just felt like filming a little B-roll. I was using my slider. To film some B-roll, and that intro was pretty sweet. Do my best to plan on launch with the queues and potential starting zone war zones. Yeah. I mean, good luck finding any mobs. Good luck finding any NPCs to like quest because there's just gonna be so many people. Why did you move from Georgia? I moved to Finland, and then I got a job here, and I moved here for the job. You gotta do an unboxing stream for the play button. Dude, that's funny you say that, because they even in the email, they're like, your play button is on your way. Be sure to make it your next unboxing video. Are you gonna get the Red Weapon X 8K camera? Well, how much does that cost? Like my student loans and my car payments and like credit cards. I don't have any credit cards really. That's like what, 80K? You know how long that take to render an 8K video game? What kind of music do you listen to? I mean, lately I've been listening to a lot of soundtracks. Are you LDS? Can't say that I am. I am a Fluke Looper. That's currently my religion. I'm the religion of the grind, and my church is the gym. What was I listening to? Lindsey Sterling, I think. The Upside. That song's gonna be on the radio 100 times. I'm already calling it. You made any Unity games? I sure have. Got a Unity game on the App Store called Rocket Sling. I don't even have it installed on my phone because that's how bad it is. Grinder boot camp any soon? I don't know if I have time to do a boot camp. There's only one of me. They told me I don't need the boot camp because I've been learning on my own since last year. Well, that probably says something about the quality of the boot camp, Francisco. How do you stay motivated? Get a good work ethic. Daniel, I don't stay motivated, man. I'm not always motivated. We do job hunt stream again? I might do a job hunt stream like one-on-one with somebody, and I'll take them through the process of applying to jobs and doing all the tricks and stuff that I know live on stream with someone. But I need to find someone. If someone here in the chat wants to volunteer to hop on a Discord call with me with video so we can get on a YouTube live stream, I will show you how to apply to a job and I'll walk you through everything I know live or whatever I can think of at the time. Vaporwave? Oh yeah, dude, Vaporwave is amazing. I like Synthwave too. Would you recommend astroturfing? I mean, all the companies do it, right? What happened to Unreal Learning? It's still happening? Still happening. I've been doing it off stream. Anime soundtracks? I have sometimes. Oh wait, for a used paperback 80/20. Thanks, man. His voice is tough on Audible. Genius, though, you'll love it. Thanks, Knight. I appreciate that. I will order it. Thank you, sir. Have you ever coded in AI? Nope, I've just used nav meshes in Unity to make little NPCs. Will you put RGB lights on the play button? Ha! Great meme. Has VR lost its charm for you? I think VR is just really bulky, man. The screen door effect isn't great. Screen door effect is a real big deal. The fact that you lose focus if you're not looking directly into the center of the lens. Want to do the job hunt for a graphic designer? Yeah, your niche doesn't matter. So Scott, if you want to hop on a Discord call with me and you want to look for a graphic designer position, I'll show you what to do. I'll show you how to get a job. I may not want one, but I dang sure know how to get one, you know? Finished my first Python class at my community college because of you. What do you think? When do you think you're ready for internships? Daniel, don't apply for internships. Only apply for junior devs. Internships and junior devs are the same, just pay gap. I mean, you can work. I would say take a part-time junior dev position over an intern, because that's what an intern is, anyways. Are you worried about being doxxed? Not really. I don't got a whole lot, you know. Why aren't you scaling Grindr? What does that mean? VR is wireless these days. It can be, but there's a slight lag. What's the Discord? It's down in the description. I'm down to call in. Larry, just shoot me a Instagram voice. Valve Index screen door is very minimal. Dude, I was thinking about getting that just for that. How's the job market for electrical engineering for new grads? I mean, it's not amazing. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know. Electrical engineering wasn't my thing. I did mechanical engineering, and it was still very 9 interviews. Can you rap? Negative. I think it's a little confusing with job hunting. Yeah, Scott, shoot me a DM on Discord, and maybe in a day or two or tomorrow we can hop on a call, and we can show the world how you do it. You know, we'll do it for your area. We'll do it remote. It won't take that long. Would be my mentor. I am right now, man. How do you know you're ready for junior dev jobs? When you ask that question, start applying so you can get rejected and figure out why you're getting rejected, and then fix why you're getting rejected and apply again. That's how you know. Should you include Unity game projects? Yeah, dude, I did. I mean, my Unity games got me a job. I got me my last job, actually, because my last job was a .NET position. I was like, I don't know C#, but I made Unity games with C#. I was like, I don't know .NET, and they're like, that's great, sounds good. Hey man, give me a tip. I'm studying React. I think it's too difficult. Why do you think it's difficult? What are you missing? Oculus Quest is wireless. I think does the Oculus Quest have room scale? I'll hop on a call. Yeah, dude, sounds good. How to stay motivated? You don't stay motivated. No one stays motivated ever. Yeah. Cutie. Yeah, that's facts right there. You just spend all your money, so become broke, and then you don't have any money to spend on your bills, and then you become homeless, and now you're motivated to not be homeless anymore. That's a good motivation right there. You need advice for a first-year computer science student? Yeah, make projects. Don't party, make projects. For every project you make, Like, if you made one project every weekend, you would be ahead of the curve. Like, just a simple project, like a to-do list or something, you know? There's gonna be all your classmates aren't gonna be doing anything. They're gonna be spending their weekends living that college life, not doing anything. They're just gonna be playing games, right? Oh, I'm gonna get a computer science degree, so I'll have a job automatically at the end. No. That's not true. Send me an email, let me know what I can do to make it better. Nerd. I don't. Alright. I'm looking at my voice messages, I don't see any. You ever feel motion sick? Not really. What's the best fruit snacks? I don't know. Depends on the girl. Just kidding. It's a joke. It's a joke. Please no demonetize. I don't know, Gushers, dude. Duh. Day in the life of CS student. Oh no. React Native, React versus Native Dev. Positive, negatives. Send me PM. Okay, I see it. I think Oculus Quest has room scale. I thought Oculus was like had like 2 little front sensors, but that was it. Can you please elaborate on I don't know C# but made a game in it and the dude hired you? I meant to say I don't know .net, but I've made games in C# on Unity. Why do you motorbike? Because it's the best, dude. Why do you not motorbike? I finished up App Academy in a month. Do you help people with jobs or stuff on stream often? Or is your offer to help someone on a call kind of rare? I mean, I haven't done that before. It's kind of a first time thing, so it's like first come, first serve. Do you hate engineering job as much as dev? I'm just not a huge fan of jobs, man. You just go learn about the wealth quadrants or the money quadrants. So you're either an employee, you're an investor, you're an entrepreneur, or you're basically just rich and ready to go. You're done. You know? So hopefully most people don't ever make it past the employee phase to entrepreneur phase. And then once you're entrepreneur, you become investor phase, and then from investor phase you go to rich phase, which is financially, you know, loaded. But as soon as you take that paycheck, you're an employee, you know? You're beholden to someone. Some people like it, some people don't. Some people do it for a little bit, some people do it forever. How many subscribers do you need to get a join button? I think it's like 30K now, 15K, 30K, one of those. But just because you have the subscribers doesn't mean they'll give it to you. Because I got my button when I had like 110K. Is it frowned upon to accept interviews in different states? No, dude. Definitely take all the interviews you can. They don't need to know if you're going to take the job or not. Just get all the experience you can, you know? I was on job companies caring about college degrees. I mean, I think it's dumb. I don't think companies should care unless it's, like, you know, obviously there are certain jobs that need a degree, like, you know, medical, all that stuff. How do you figure out why you're getting rejected from jobs? You just ask, man. You just ask. But it's not all. They're not always going to tell you because the reason that jobs don't tell you they're rejecting you is because they think that you're going to sue for libel or slander or whatever. But it's not always you getting rejected from jobs. It's companies internally saying, you know what, maybe we don't need to hire that person. Let's save the money instead. Let's save the money and invest it on this new product that we want to launch. Something like that. It's not always just you're not good enough for the job. Companies say, oh, we ran out of budget. Nope, we're doing something different financially. Oh, we're not getting more investor money. What do you do after a bad interview? You just keep applying, do more interviews. Just for applying to jobs in the States as a Canadian, you're going to need a degree unless you're going to be a contractor. What's the point of life? You spend it all working for someone else. I mean, if you don't come up with a purpose for your life, someone else is going to come up with a purpose for you. And you're going to be building their purpose. You know, so it's either you're building your own dreams or you're building someone else's. I don't think you're going to build your own dreams 2 days a week in between your 9 to 5, you know? I just don't think that's practical. What's your opinion on millennials are lazy? Some people are. People are just lazy in general. You schedule your week. I'm in a creative field, so it's kind of hard to do. Some days I have great ideas, some days I have no ideas. I have a standard, a minimum daily standard of a video and a live stream. That's my minimum daily standard. If I do nothing else, I do those two things. Do you know what numbers mean when you press the volume button? I don't. I don't think there's a volume dial here on the back corner. Working on managing energy for the side hustle, trying to wake up, work on projects before work, not after. Definitely do that. Definitely work on stuff before work and not after. I'm a night owl. Use your energy while you have it, man. Don't you if do your side hustle at work, man. Just boss not looking, show up to work early. Work on your own thing, you know? Boss not looking while you're at work on work hours, work on your own thing. I don't care. It's your life, man. It's your life. What are your thoughts on Jordan Peterson? He's fine. He has a very thick Canadian accent. What up, Josh? Earl, what's up, man? Oh, we made it to 100 viewers. Welcome aboard. Did I miss anything? I don't think I missed anything. Let's see. My last interview, the manager pooped on me when I asked for feedback from the interview. It's a huge computer chip company. Can I sue? Good luck. Need projects besides GrindReel? I mean, my GrindReel is not a project, man. GrindReel is my life. It's everything I have. Did I miss anything else? Do you like whiteboarding? No, I think it's silly. Just go look at the creator of Ruby on Rails tweet about whiteboarding. What's his name? Creator of Ruby on Rails whiteboard tweet. Let's see. Here's the creator of Ruby on Rails. He says, "Hello, my name is David. I would fail to write bubble sort on a whiteboard. I look up code on the internet all the time. I don't do riddles." That's my thoughts on whiteboarding. Future plans for GrindReel? Dude, I got huge future plans. I'd like to hire some people eventually. It's not ideal, you know, but I think I'd be a pretty dope boss. I think I'd be like, all right, this is what I need you to do. Get it done. You get one chance. You mess up, you don't have a good reason, you mess up again, you're done. Bye. I don't got time otherwise. And then I can teach you what I know. And then I would really like it for you to go do it yourself, but hey, you want to learn? I'll teach you. Did you add random people on Facebook? No, not really. I mean, random sometimes. I have a whiteboard in the other room, but it's not for code, that's for sure. What do you think about Sony character movie trailer? What? I think that Spider-Man's out of the MCU, and that's sad. You're saved from Georgia. You ever hike the Appalachian Trail? No. Hire me remotely? Yeah, dude, I'm down. I don't have any qualms about it. I just don't have enough money consistently to be able to pay someone consistently. That's my fear, you know? I don't want to be like, all right, I'm hiring you. I guess then I don't know, you know, what would you hire for? I mean, nothing code related. I can do that myself. It'd probably be for editing a video. But I'm super cautious about that because my personality is in my editing, you know? Maybe managing social medias, something like that. Probably a business developer eventually. So someone to answer all my sponsorship emails and negotiate with the rate, you know? Those are the three positions I'm thinking of, like editor, social media manager, and business developer to handle all my emails and stuff. But I'm not there yet. I don't make enough money to pay that for a 9 to 5 because I don't even have enough work to do that yet. Does the cutout in the S10 bug you? No, I don't really notice it. 2 to 3 months ago, I'm not sure if you remember Alan. He said he's doing his own thing now. Dude, that's dope. That was his dream, man. That was his dream. I'm glad he did. We had a long talk. Jizzy, what up, man? How you doing? 350 buckaroos a month since I'm from Ukraine. Yeah, I could do that. $350 a month, I could probably do that. But I make one video a day, right? So like, if I make one video a day, I upload the footage, you edit it, release same day. And then I'll teach you whatever else you want to know in the meantime, because I just don't have enough money to do that. Any experience with debilitating injuries, dealing with a lot of pain, haven't been able to hustle, it's depressing. I mean, I was out of commission for a while when I ate it on the one wheel. What advice you give me? Start with Python. How to scale my skills and knowledge with Python? I mean, I'm not sure. I don't know how much you know right now. They say computer science is one of the best degrees. Who's they? So you should check. Who says that this degree is the best? Companies that value the degree say that, right? Of course, companies that value the degree say this is the best degree. Who is they? Easy, Josh, no problem. Let's talk about it. Night quick, shoot me an email. Let's discuss it. I've been thinking about it for a while, but I'll pay you up front, $350. You edit every video that I upload every day and upload it. I don't care, you know, as long as you just get it done, whatever you want to do in the meantime. Just put my PC and it won't display anything? How are you here? Do you think cream for coffee is like mayonnaise? I don't drink coffee, so I think coffee's like mayonnaise. You ever had that feeling that you're not learning anything to program even though you're still making stuff? All the time, man. That's imposter syndrome, dude. Oladapo bro, dude, what up, man? Do you drink coffee? Nah, not really. Check the link. All right, I'll look at the link just for you. Doesn't work. Well, you missed a colon, dude. How you gonna post a link and not even have your HTTPS correctly work? What's your favorite language? I like English. Have you ever made a video on applying to LinkedIn jobs? I've never made one for that specifically. Your chat's getting busy. I still think I do okay with answering. We'll email in a bit. All right, dude, sounds good. Do you have a girlfriend? Nope. It's nice to meet you. What does this app do? Is this just a regular old website? Sign up, sign in. Forgot your password. What am I signing up for? This web page is not really. Welcome to our page, U Analytics. I don't know what it does. Give me a demo to log in. Actually, no, I'm not going to give you my IP. How do you deal with it? I mean, you just deal with it, man. In your opinion, why do you think a lot of professors only want to teach C and machine learning and machine language? I mean, because they're professors, dude. I mean, I don't know. I think that's just what the college says that they have to teach, because changing college curriculum is like having an idea at a corporate business. You know, it's got to go through 9 stages of approval. Is there a payment processor that allows you to pass the fee on to the customer for a recurring service? Payment processor? Maybe Stripe? I don't know. Do you do dating advice? Yeah, dude, you want to go on a date? Let's do it. I'll teach you everything you need to know. I think the two man picking up chicks is easier, because you just have you have your friend go and pretend to be a creep, and then you go save the girl from your friend that's being a creep, and you pretend like you don't know your friend. That's how you get dates. That's how you cold approach with a friend. Or, you know, you just walk up to chicks. Hey, I think you're cute. What's your name? What's the meaning of life? To live a meaningful life. Does YouTube have a low latency mode like Twitch? Yes, it does. And that's what it has been on since I've been streaming recently, but I've noticed some issues there. So right now it's on. Do guaranteed job bootcamps still take a cut if you end up with a job not related to what you study? Some do, like Flatiron does. Flatiron takes, like, they don't care what job you get. Lambda doesn't do that though. 200 IQ. Hey, thanks. Just built it for my final project. Oh, well, the first thing I would look at here is the styling of it. Doesn't say anything, and it's kind of weird, right? The picture doesn't scale. I've never listened to the Lex Friedman podcast. What's it about? Ever messed with IBM quantum computing? Nope. You can see different channels analytics, so you're just using the YouTube API to search in my query, I guess. I have 40K debt and no job. That's right, man. Just put your debt on forbearance, call it a day, keep applying to jobs, man. Stop freaking out. What are your thoughts on apprenticeships in the tech industry? I think it's silly. I think you should just get a junior dev job, and if I don't know, it's just a reason for them to pay you nothing. The difference between junior dev, intern, and apprentice is nothing. Just pay. Do you have a blog? I don't write blogs because I don't think that they're very good for anything. You have to get people to stop and read your article, which is not great. Video content's better in that regard because you can watch the video or listen to the video. It's a triple hit there. Are you moving into the investor phase? Nope. Nope. What's the difference between junior, mid, and senior? It depends on the company. Depends on your definition of it. Generally, it's just the pay range. Years of experience. You can have some dude with 2 years experience that's better than a quote senior dev at a company just because that guy convinced them to pay him like a senior dev and he got the title. You know, it's all subjective and ambiguous. Covers development in AI. Oh, that's cool. He interviewed Elon Musk. Nice. It's frustrating picking a degree. Give me some advice. How about you just get a job without one? That'd be my advice. We had 2 weeks to create it. Do you think it's cool at all? I mean, you should give me a demo login. You should give people a demo login if they're going to use your site. Don't make me create one. Cause, I don't want to give you my email, and I don't want to go verify my email on there. Think about it from other people's that don't know you perspective. Thoughts on Denver versus other tech hubs? Denver's popping off for like cryptocurrency startups. You should give a demo with just a demo page with a login, so I can log in. Maybe post some screenshots of it somewhere. Make it usable without a login. I don't know why I need to log in to be able to use that, unless you want to pull my analytics, which I'm not going to give you my OAuth to pull my analytics. We should all apply for mid-level positions. Dude, I saw, look at this job post. This is going on tomorrow's video. But look at this job post here. Someone sent me, it requires 32 years experience. This is basically age discrimination in the job description. I'm not even joking. "32 years experience." Are you kidding me? Let me zoom this in. Is this a joke? Like, I can't tell if this is like an actual joke. 32 years full stack web development experience. What? Excuse me, what? So you have to be a minimum of 32 years old just to apply to this job. This is age discrimination inside of the job description. If you have 32 years experience, what? Like, obviously this is going to go on bad jobs, but I don't know what Prescribed Fit LLC is token up here, but supports an environment based on radical honesty. Well, I mean, at least you're honest that you're ageist. At least you're honest that you're not hiring anyone under the age of 32. How much do they pay? I don't know. 65 to 80,000 for 32 years experience. 65K. Boy, I got that in like 9 months. 32 years. If you have 32 years experience in anything and you're not retired, what? Anyways, so there's some crazy jobs out there. I bet they meant 3+ or 2+. Maybe. But what the numbers would be backwards, right? It'd be 2-3. Do example.com. Jack, I would, except I just don't want to give you my login. I don't want to give you my IP. No offense. Is it a typo? Maybe. Three 2 years. That wouldn't make sense, right? It would have to be 2-3. It wouldn't be. It would be like this. It'd be like 2-3 years, right? Not. I don't know. Don't know. Can't say, but it seems a little crazy. Radical honesty, right? That's what they're all about here at the bottom. Radical honesty and an approach with collaboration that supports open communication. Openly, you know, IP doesn't really matter. I mean, kind of does for me. I don't see any other typos here. Maybe Fat Fingers hit 2 at once, 3+ years. I mean, maybe could have done that. All right, my guys, I'm gonna go head over to Twitch and hang out for a little bit. If you guys want to go follow me there, I'll be streaming on there. Do you think it's impressive we pulled the YouTube analytics from YouTube's API? I think it depends. I mean, there's a lot of APIs out there. YouTube's API is not particularly difficult. It's pretty common, actually. I mean, basically, Social Blade does that. Social Blade is a copy of your website, or your website is a copy of Social Blade. But I think just making, you know, get requests to an API is pretty standard. 2 weeks for that seems really long. I would say if you had like a few days to do it, maybe. The OAuth, but the sign up thing, I don't know what you did for that. I haven't done it, but could be good. It looks okay, man. I'm not trying to diss the project. It looks okay, though. Must be a joke. I don't know. All right, let's do Twitch. Yeah, if you want to head on over there, I'm going to go grab a bite to eat. I haven't eaten all day. I'm doing that intermittent fast, you know, or I guess today is just one meal a day. OMAD lifestyle, but I'll be back, and I'll be on Twitch, and I don't know, we can play some Overwatch together if you're down, and I might hit up some Udemy tutorial. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. It's already 10 o'clock. I don't want to sleep until 11 a.m. tomorrow. I got to get up and go to the gym, hit some deadlifts and stuff. Don't do deadlifts, I know. But thanks for being here, chat. I appreciate you guys. And hope you guys have a good Thursday. I'll see you tomorrow for the Bad Jobs video. And yeah, take care. Thanks for being here.